Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a little update vlog. So you guys will be getting a life update in here, as you've probably seen from the title. And then I am gonna give you guys a little day in my life because I know you like my vlogs and I like doing them. I miss doing them. And before I forget, this vlog is in collaboration with FabFitFun, so thank you so much to them. So I do have a life update and I'm gonna sit down for this. I mean, it's not gonna be like too long. I'm not gonna go too into depth, but I don't feel like standing, so let me sit. Okay, so you guys might be wondering, Tasha, it's during the day on a weekday, it's a Monday. I mean, I didn't really say that, but why are you not at work? And as you can see from the title of this video, I left my job, and I'm not gonna go too into detail just because I want to remain as professional as possible. And honestly, like, I'm not super excited to be talking about this in general, but yeah, I know I'm gonna get questions if I'm like vlogging my days and I'm no longer going to work. So I'm just gonna explain a little bit what happened. If you guys don't know, I started a new job around 3 to 4 months ago at a fashion brand here in LA as a marketing coordinator, and I was really excited about it because I had been looking for a full-time job for a while, and I was really excited about the brand. And basically I had been there, like I said, 3 to 4 months. I'm not sure exactly which. And then last week, out of the blue, my boss called me up to his office and basically told me that if I wanted to stay, I would have to take a really big pay cut. And in my opinion, I wasn't getting paid a lot to begin with. I actually accepted less than I had said I'd wanted, just because I was really excited about the job, and this pay cut was pretty big. And obviously a full-time job takes up a lot of my time, and to be like completely transparent with you guys, I could make more, you know, just doing my own social media stuff, and I was still making more off of social media ads and stuff that I had been doing, but I just really wanted to do something else and have something on my resume. And so I just couldn't take this pay cut. And you know, that's not the only factor. You know, the work environment wasn't exactly what I had expected going into it, but like I said, I'm not gonna get into detail just to remain as professional as possible. But ultimately I did make that decision to leave, and that's not to say that I don't want a full-time job, and I was planning on quitting, because I was not planning on leaving at all. If anything, I wanted to stay for at least a year. In terms of what that means for me, I'm kind of in a weird place right now. I will be going home to visit my family in like a week, which I'm really excited about because I have not seen them since Christmas time. I think we're going to Cape Cod, just doing like a little family vacay. And then yeah, I'm gonna start applying to new jobs. And I am honestly toying with the idea of moving. I don't know, like the last few months I've kind of been getting over LA, and I still love LA. Like I've said in videos prior, I really do love it here, but I've been here like 6 years now, and I'm kind of getting a little bit antsy. So I'm toying with the idea of New York City, but I don't think I would want to move there until the spring, just because moving there in the winter sounds a little bit miserable. And also I don't really know how things are going to pan out with COVID. I don't want there to be another outbreak in the winter and me just move there and not be able to leave. So I'm thinking spring, but in the meantime, I'm just going to be applying to jobs. You know, if I can find something remote, that would be great. But yeah, I'm kind of just open to whatever right now. So yeah, that is what happened. It is a Monday. Like I said, I'm traveling home. I'm not going home until Monday, so exactly a week from today. So I'm kind of just trying to get everything in order here before I go, but I actually do have a box. I mentioned earlier this video was in collaboration with FabFitFun, so I have left it unboxed. I've had it for a few days now, or not unboxed. I've left it in the box, so I have not opened it yet, and I figured I would open it on camera because I'm excited to see what's in there, and then I will take you along the rest of my day. But yeah, let's unbox it. Okay guys, here is the large box, and obviously the box is inside the box, so let's unbox it. I really need to get a box cutter, but it's just one of those things that I refuse to purchase, so I use this designated kitchen knife for all my boxes. Okay, we've got some polka dot paper, and then the actual box. There she is. So this is what the box looks like. I have no idea what's in here, so let's open her up and see. And of course, I will put all the info about FabFitFun in the description if you guys are interested and want to learn more. Okay, so this is what it's looking like inside, and let me dive in. Okay, let's start out with this. It says the 2 bandits. This is a little catch-all tray like this, so you can put this on like your vanity or your dresser and put like jewelry or even like perfumes or anything in here. So it's very neutral and cute. Okay, next up is this Amanda Up Richard little belt bag, I think. I really like Amanda Up Richard's stuff, and this is just really cute and neutral. These are always very, very nice and easy, so very cute. Okay, and next up I'm seeing this Our House, Your Home. Let's see. I'm getting like candle vibes, which I love candles. As you can see, I'm burning one currently. So, okay, yes, this is a candle. Ooh, this is like a good pumpkin spice. Let's see. Moroccan spice candle. Okay, I love the little, what do they call it? Like the holder. It reminds me of a Moscow Mule glass. We have the Pure List Pumpkin and Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. Honestly, I should use this tonight. Very exciting. Okay, this I'm actually very excited about. I know this might seem so boring, but these are Fry boot socks. And the reason I'm so excited is because I've been wearing my Doc Martens a lot lately, but especially like my white pair, they always rub, you know, right where the top is. And so I've been wanting to get some good socks to wear that are cute but neutral, that can go above them, you know? And these are perfect. So we've got like a black pair and a little gray pair, and they feel really soft. I feel like these are gonna be the perfect height too, and I can even scrunch them down if I want to. Okay, wait, there's like a big box at the bottom. What is this? Okay, wait, I'm so excited. This is a fry pan. I feel like such a mom right now, but I go through my pans so quickly, and I've been wanting a good one. So this is the Phantom Chef 8-inch fry pan. I don't know what color this is gonna be. I think it's, okay, it's like a really pretty blue. Oh, wait, it's so cute, guys. A nice little pan. This is perfect for like scrambles. I love making a good scramble, and I love like this nice wooden handle. So I have a bath gel, which is great because I do love my bathtub here. So this is by Islands of Italy, and the scent I think is Capri. It says it's a peach champagne fragrance, which we love. Okay, and then last is this. Let's see what this is. Oh, nice. Okay, this is a lunch pack, ideal for taking meals on the go, storing food, filling bulk grains and coffee, or a handful of snacks. Honestly, I feel like this will be so good for when I go to the beach, because I don't really have anything like this, and I end up just throwing food in my beach bag and it gets like sandy and gross. So we love this. This is by the brand Hip. So yeah, that is what was in my box. I think I'm most excited for the pan, honestly. I think I might go grocery shopping now. I don't want to get too many things because I'm leaving in a week, but I have been ordering Postmates way too much, and that's such a bad habit that I have. I kind of want to stick to only letting myself do that on the weekends because it really just adds up. So I think I'm gonna go to the store. I don't really know what I want to make tonight, so I want to decide that before I go. I was thinking like a chicken noodle soup kind of vibe. You guys know I love soups, but I don't know. So I'm gonna decide and then I will come back and we will go to the store. I am headed to Trader Joe's. Normally I walk there, but it's so hot out today and I'm pretty hungry, so I just want to get there as quickly as possible, but I will show you guys what I got once I'm back. I am back. Let me set everything out and I will give you guys a little haul. I got barbecue potato chips, probably because I went in there hungry. I got some eggs for a scramble, and then I got onions and onions and potatoes and kale for the soup that I'm gonna make tonight. I already had the rest of the ingredients. Then I got this spicy instant ramen. I don't know, I figured I would try it. I got a Caesar salad. I got some sourdough bread for toast, some broccoli for scrambles, and I got these pork ginger soup dumplings. So that is my little haul. False alarm, I was too hungry to wait, so I'm just eating the Caesar salad, and I will be making the soup later for dinner. Quick little outfit change. I'm also really now seeing that I need to get my roots touched up. But anyways, I am about to drive over to the beach. I have to take some photos for a brand deal I'm doing on Instagram, and it's like a skincare brand. So I really want some like glowy golden hour lighting, and I just don't get that in my apartment. I don't know, whenever I do brand deals, I like to kind of try and make them extra good and show that I put effort into it, because I would like those brands to want to work with me again. So yeah, I'm gonna drive over to the beach. This top kind of matches the color of the skincare bottle that I'm gonna be using, and I'm just gonna try and take some selfies. So that is the plan. It's almost 5 p.m. now, and I'm hoping I get there like around 5:36. I kind of have to walk down to the beach. Hopefully I don't get too sweaty, but that is my plan, and I will definitely vlog at the beach, hoping there's no one around me, but I feel like it's a Monday. I should be pretty in the clear. I have parked. The beach is down there. I parked over here to try to get some car photos, but they weren't as cute. So I will be walking down to the beach. I will be sweating, but I'm gonna head down there now. This is like Montana area of Santa Monica, which is like my favorite. But yeah, this is the spot I have decided on. So go follow my Instagram. You guys can see the photo. Hopefully the brand likes it, but let's get some photos. Oh, and here's the view the other direction. So the sun's still pretty bright. It's not quite golden hour yet, but I still think these will look really cute. You know, it's brighter than expected, and also awkward because people are walking by on this path and just staring at me holding a product up to my face. So honestly, I might go with one of the car selfies, but we'll see. It's really nice out. I should have worn a bikini or something, but I am home now. I just made my soup. I have made this in multiple vlogs. It's like an Italian sausage kale soup, so I will link the recipe down below, but I'm about to watch the finale of The Bachelorette, so I'm going to get to that and I will talk to you guys after. Okay, I am about to get ready to go to bed. I'm not sure how much footage I got today, so depending on that, I guess will depend if I continue this vlog into tomorrow. But yeah, I guess I will check the footage, and if it's enough, I will end off in the next clip, and if not, I will continue. Hi guys, it's the next day. I am wearing this shirt again and this hat that I know a lot of people hate, but it is what it is. I did not check to see how much footage I got, but I figured I would just add in some stuff from today. So I had my call this morning, and I've just done a few other little miscellaneous things that I needed to get done. But now I think I'm gonna go to Crossroads. It's basically like, if you're familiar with Buffalo Exchange or Plato's Closet, it's somewhere where you can go and sell your clothes. I actually went to a different Crossroads location last week and they only took 2 things, and I brought like my giant suitcase full. So I'm gonna try a different location, and I added in a few more items. I mean, if they don't take anything, it's gonna be a little bit frustrating, but I'll just donate stuff after. I normally list my stuff on Poshmark, and then the stuff that doesn't sell on Poshmark, I will either donate or try to bring to Crossroads. I don't really know, but I'm gonna go to the Santa Monica location. Last time I went to the Culver City location, so hopefully I have some luck there. I feel like I've had good luck selling there in the past. But yeah, and then I'm thinking maybe I'll just walk around the area after. It's a really nice day, but wish me luck. Hi friends, so I have not updated you in a minute. Basically, I got $55 from Crossroads, which I was, oh, there's a man coming. My camera just completely stopped filming. But I was saying me leaves my 9 to 5 and then goes to Aloe. I needed some retail therapy. I'm also about to go to Erewhon, which is like the most LA place ever. All I ever get when I go there is their buffalo cauliflower and sometimes a kombucha. So I'm gonna go there and get the buffalo cauliflower, but I'm actually so thirsty, so I might have to get a drink as well. But I do have a interview tomorrow with the company I talked to the recruiter about today, so that's exciting. Excuse the background. My place is kind of a cyclone, but this is what I got from Aloe. So first is this little blue tank. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but it's like a really thick, just nice material. I will link this stuff down below, but I just loved it. Focus. I got this in a size small, and then I love like the flared legging, flared yoga pants trend. I mean, they're back. I think they're really flattering. I have a pair from Fabletics that I love. I wear them a lot. I kind of shrunk them a little bit in the wash, but I've been wanting to get another pair, and I saw that Aloe came out with their flutter leggings in a 7/8 length, and you know, I'm very short, so I was excited about this. So basically they're like a flare yoga pant, except they have this little slit in the front, so it's still a little bit long if I'm just standing, but I always wear like platform sneakers or just sneakers in general, and I don't know, I just think they're really cute. They make my butt look good, which I love, very comfortable. Now in Aloe bottoms, I usually size down. I get an extra small, which I know I'm not an extra small in like any other brand, but in Aloe, I usually do in bottoms, but then this top is a small. But yeah, I really like these. I know I'm gonna wear these all the time because they're so comfortable, but what I love about Aloe, this is not an ad, I just really do like Aloe, is their stuff is cool and trendy. It's not just like, oh, like workout clothes I'm gonna throw on and look okay. Like, I think their stuff is really cool and fashionable. Not the most affordable, but the quality is really good, and I will link these down below. I also might have like an invite code where you can get $25 off potentially, so I'll put that down there too. So I think I'm gonna end off this video here and just finish editing it after this, but thank you guys so much for watching. As always, thank you for sticking with me and supporting me, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.